Hi, it's Lydia, and I'm back with a video so that you can get an idea of the kind of tutor I am. I'm so excited to walk you through this. So our question is, if 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of y? So as we can see, we have an option that says the value cannot be determined from the information given. Now, I think a lot of the time when students see that option, they think that's automatically a sign that, oh, we can't solve it, or this is going to be a tricky question. But I promise you, this is actually a bit simpler than you may think. So first, let's look at the fraction that we're given. We have 8 to the power of x over 2 to the power of y. So if you know anything about exponents, we know that when we're doing division with exponents, if we want to simplify it, we need to have the same base. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this fraction as a base with bases of 2 rather than a base of 8 and a base of 2. So we know that 8 could be rewritten as 2 to the power of 3 because 2 cubed is equal to 8. So that's what we'll do first. So instead of writing 8 to the power of x, we'll write this as 2/3, that quantity, to the power of x over 2y. And that should help us a bit as we continue in solving this problem. Now our next step is we need to look at that equation. So we have the equation 3x minus y equals 12. So what we're going to do is we want to simplify this so we can have y in terms of x. So we're going to solve for y. We have 3x minus x minus y equals 12. We're going to solve that, so we're going to subtract 3x on both sides. So then we get negative y equals 12 minus 3x, which would mean that y equals 3x minus 12. And now that we've solved that, what we're going to do is we're going to plug that into the simplified fraction that we have. So instead of writing y, we'll write 2 to the power of 3x minus 12. So first, 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x. With the laws of exponents, if we raise an exponent to an exponent, that's the same as multiplying those values. So this is going to be 2 to the power of 3x, because 3 times x is 3x, divided by 2 to the power of the quantity 3x minus 12. Now again, we need to remember our rules of exponents. So if we're dividing two numbers that have the same base but are raised to different exponents, we're going to subtract those exponents. So this is going to be equal to 2 to the power of the quantity 3x minus the quantity 3x minus 12. 3x minus 3x is 0, minus negative 12, that's going to be a positive 12, so our answer is 2 to the power of 12, which is option A. Yay! So as you can see here, we just took a question that may have seemed a bit daunting. You may have assumed since we had multiple variables but only one equation that we couldn't solve it. But as you can see, once we took the time to really solve it and think about what the question's actually asking and break it down into simple steps, using our core concepts of understanding what an exponent does, we were actually able to find a real answer.